This electrolyte test involves baking soda. Yeah, good old Arm & Hammer. So, I've put in 1 teaspoon per half gallon of water. That's 2 teaspoons per gallon. Let's see what we get. Now I understand this stuff is effective, but it produces brown. So I'm going to let this test run a while. It looks like running about 10 amps, and I don't know the temperature. Shame on me. So this is mediocre production with 1 teaspoon per half gallon. What I'm interested in though is what sort of particulates form. I'll just let the test run. At 20 minutes I see a distinct tone in the water. I do not see any scum. The temperature is 105 degrees in the water. Okay, tested just over an hour. I've hit 150 degrees in the water. There's a significant amount of brown in the water. I see no scum. In this case, a lot of the particulate is settling on the bottom as it's formed. That would be different than the sodium hydroxide, where it just stayed in suspension. I also put a thermometer on my battery charger to kind of monitor its temperature, and I'm looking at 123.3 degrees on the louvers. I was having problems with it overheating there at one point. I just want to point out that I'm observing a convection layer at about this point. You can just see it across here. And if you look closely, the water circulates down, comes across, and gets drawn back up through the plates. The same behavior was observed with sodium hydroxide. I'd like to repeat that last observation. At 159 degrees, I'm starting to see water vapor, as though the water's hot enough to sub-boil. It's steaming a little. Excuse me, at an hour and 36 minutes, the water's 172 degrees. I'm showing 14 amps. The battery charger is 135 degrees. And I'm producing enough water vapor that it's not burning the hydrogen oxygen gas. See that? Oh, one little pop. Couple little pops. It's now been an hour and 45 minutes. The temperature appears to have stabilized at 175. 14.5 amps. 137 degrees on the battery charger. So I'm going to end the test now, and later we'll compare the particulates from the different tests.